Hi Akram, Assalamu alaikum.
Hello Razi, wa alaikum salam.
Why the people are gathered here?
Hey, don't you know? The Muhaysuna Ukura students are celebrating the born day of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and named Al-Murafiqah.
Oh, I forgot it.
Fine. Have you ever thought how the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam behaved?
Yes, he was known for his great character. The Quran says, "You are of a great moral character."
That's true. The Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was very kind and honesty. He said, "The best among you are those who are with the best manners."
Exactly. He was also very forgiving. For example, when the people of Taif treated him badly, he prayed for them instead of being angry.
Hey, it's a good example. The Mahatma Gandhi ji said that the best way to find yourself is lost to yourself and in the service of others.
Yes, Prophet ﷺ shows that by helping others and living simply.
It's true. The Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was very kind and helping in need. There is a hadith where he said he is not a believer whose stomach is full while his neighbor isn't hungry.
Yes, the hadith shows the concern for others. Prophet ﷺ was also very honest. Before becoming a prophet, Prophet ﷺ called Al-Amin, means the trustworthy.
Exactly. The Albert Schweitzer said that the really only happy person who know to how to serve others, and the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam showed this by his action.
Yes, the Prophet ﷺ life teaches us to be kind and helpful. By following this example, we can make our life better.
Okay, fine. Let's meet again, inshallah. Bye. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.